The story is built upon a pro-endangered species foundation by centering on the Spix's macaw, a species that was, at the time, officially extinct in the wild. The film subtly highlights the dangers of illegal wildlife smuggling and the critical need for wildlife preservation. Please subscribe for more animation movies. If you enjoyed this clip, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our best animation clips.
What's a song if you can't hear it too?
Can't imagine